everyone, welcome to a brief overview of Multisoft Systems' Bentley OpenRoads Designer Training Course. Multisoft Systems, with over 21 years of experience, offers 1,500+ courses, partners with 10K+ experts, serves 2,000+ corporates, has trained 1 million+ individuals, and earning a 4.5-star rating. Here we share the overview, benefits, and facts. Bentley OpenRoads Designer Training equips civil engineers and infrastructure professionals with the expertise to handle complex roadway, railway, drainage, and utility projects using Bentley Systems' comprehensive modeling environment. This training offers an immersive experience in open roads technology, which integrates design and analysis to support the delivery of projects from conceptual planning through to construction. Participants gain proficiency in creating detailed 3D models of road geometries, earthworks, and bridge modeling, which enhances the visualization, simulation, and project performance. The benefits of undergoing this training include improved project collaboration among team members, enhanced accuracy in designs, and the ability to adhere to industry standards and regulations effectively. Research indicates that professionals trained in OpenRoads Designer can reduce design time by up to 30% and improve the accuracy of their models, minimizing costly reworks during construction phases. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the Bentley OpenRoads Designer training. It is open to anyone interested in civil engineering and infrastructure design, eager to learn advanced modeling techniques. What will you learn? During the course you will understand the 3D modeling of road and highway designs, advanced terrain modeling techniques, drainage and utility design integration, creation and analysis of digital terrains, workflow management across project teams, compliance with industry standards and regulations, visualization and simulation of infrastructure projects. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about infrastructure design and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our Bentley OpenRoads Designer subject matter experts have profound understanding of advanced modeling techniques, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of CAD/CAM/piping domain, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients. Additionally, the software's capability to integrate with GIS data and other Bentley applications allows for a more streamlined workflow, making it an essential tool for modern infrastructure projects. This training is ideal for enhancing career prospects and keeping pace with evolving technology in civil engineering. Course assessment. In addition to our comprehensive training, we offer a complimentary assessment designed to evaluate course comprehension. This assessment employs a variety of methods including multiple-choice questions, short answer responses, and tests focused on problem-solving abilities. These diverse approaches ensure a thorough understanding of the course material and providing a well-rounded evaluation of participants' knowledge and application skills. Thank you for watching our video. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to Multisoft's Bentley OpenRoads Designer Training, where you will master advanced infrastructure modeling, enhancing your skills in civil engineering and design execution.